All right, we're headed to the beach. Hopefully we're gonna get some crabs and fish. What do y'all think?
I'm gonna try to catch a flounder.
A flounder, okay. What do you think, Gage? What are you gonna catch?
Crab. And we might catch some catfish. Love it.
All right, well, we got some cat snacks, we got some chicken legs, and we're gonna go have fun.
How do you see it? Oh.
All right, and there we go, the beautiful ocean.
Hi, ocean.
Hey, me. I see fruits.
What's the regulation?
No.
Yes, we're gonna keep it.
No, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it.
I want to touch it.
So we'll keep it.
Oh, we're gonna
Yeah, let me get it out.
Nice.
I think I'm gonna turn it.
Really,
What you
you're
guys
gonna throw the chicken leg in. But then our guy will not come over here.
And I put you in there.
Okay, what you doing?
So I just got away over there.
Is that what it's called?
He's looking for a gator.
For a gator.
Oh, there's Peter right there.
You know what? That's it. We're gonna...
All right.
That was being controlled. Yeah, but we're Come on, good one, guys.
Keep it. Are we allowed to keep it?
That is a hurt. Those are yummy fish.
Can we keep
Look
it?
at that one, Connor.
Can we keep
Hurt.
it?
No.
Can we keep it? Yes.
No, we can't keep it.
Hey, my first fish. I think, Mommy, I caught a baby in that one with a cat. Mommy, I caught a baby one in that one. I caught the.
All right, reel it in.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, next time.
That's disgusting. Gavin, please stop.
Nothing in my drawer.
Look at the head of it.
Yeah.
There's a video game that
weather, guys. This is awesome. Really, Gage? What are you doing, guys? Making a hot tub. Let's go with. Really? All right. Enjoy the view. We sure are. All right, we are now leaving Galveston. Till next time.